So now we're going to talk about fractions per se. So some terminology that you might be familiar with. So if I have a fraction, like for example, 3/5, I'm not going to write all this down because, as you know, it takes me a long time to write with this pen, but please write it down, and I'm sure that you know these words. So 3 is what we call the numerator, 5 is the denominator, and this line that divides the numerator and the denominator is called the vinculum. I'm going to write that one down because I'm not sure if you all know that word. So this is called the vinculum. Okay, and there are 3 types of fractions. We can call proper fractions. So proper fractions are when the numerator is less than the denominator. Then we have improper fractions. If you want all this written down, you can go into your Jack Plus, your book. This one is all in your Jack Plus, but I think you know all this. I'm not writing that. So we have improper fractions. That is when the denominator is greater than the denominator. We can do an example here. So for example, if I do this one for proper fractions, and I have example can be 2/3, for example. An example of an improper fraction can be, for example, 5/4, because the numerator is greater than the denominator. And then the third type is a mixed number. And a mixed number will be something like 1 1/4. So it's when we have a whole number plus its fraction. Wonderful.